Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat audio. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to hear a sound on your Snapchat video during recording, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to turn on your microphone for Snapchat. To do that, simply go ahead and press hold your Snapchat application from your Android device and tap on App Info. Now, scroll down from the App Info page and tap on Permissions. Make sure your microphone option is enabled for Snapchat. Simply tap on the microphone option and tap on Allow in order to allow access for your microphone for your Snapchat app. Once you allow the microphone access, you can now go back to the main homepage of your mobile device and tap open Snapchat and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to update your Snapchat application. Tap open Play Store, but make sure that you are connected to a stable internet for this. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Snapchat and perform your search. If you see an open button popping up right next to Snapchat, it means you've already updated your application. If you see an update button, tap on Update to download the latest version of the application. After updating your app, if the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to simply uninstall the application. Go to your app drawer and look for Snapchat. Press hold Snapchat app and tap on the uninstall button. Confirm uninstallation by tapping OK at the bottom, and once you uninstall your application, go back to Play Store and re-download it again. Once you've reinstalled the application, go and log into your Snapchat account and you might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to hear your Snapchat audio recorded while recording a video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.